Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In this episode of the full advanced PyCord Discord bot tutorial, we are going to implement utility commands as well as some other commands. Let's get started right away. First things first, we're going to go to the cogs folder and create a new file called utilities.py. In here we want to import Discord, and also from discord.ext import commands and bridge. Now we want to create a new class called utilities of type commands.cog and do the usual thing: def init self bot, and also self.bot equals bot. Then down here, want to create a new group, a bridge.bridge group called random self context and path. We're also going to need to import the random library. So in this utility cog, what are we going to have here actually? Well, we're going to have, for example, user commands like get user ID, and message command get message ID, and also random numbers, random colors, also being able to check a user's avatar, as well as checking server info and doing some math, and also user info. So it will be a pretty large cog. So let's get started right away. We're going to add a command to this group we created called, and the description of this command will be generate a random number, and this will be number, so it will look like random number when you actually use it in Discord. Here we want to do self ctx, want to have lower number and upper number, and we'll also want to make both of these ints like that. I want to do a new variable in here, number equals to random.rand range lower number, upper number. So we'll generate a random number in that index and respond with this number. Your random number in range of lower number and upper number is number like that. So that's the code for generating a random number. We also want to create message and user commands now. So we'll create a discord.message command. And this will be get message ID, self context, and the message discord.message. So what this command will do is that you can right click a message and apps will appear. You will be able to click this command and you can get the ID from that message if you don't have Discord developer mode enabled, for example, and you need the ID of something. So here, want to do await ctx.respond and simply just respond with message.id. And we also want to make this ephemeral, so not everyone can see the response. Down below, want to create a user command, and that will be get user ID, so we can get the ID of a user. Self context user will be of type discord.user, and here want to do await cdx.respond f string user.id, and this will also be ephemeral. So that's those commands done. Now we want to add a random command for colors. So this will be a bit different. We're going to use an API for this. Well, not an API, but well, kind of actually. Going to import from urllib.request. Want to import URL open. Now want to create a new command in the random group. So random.command description will be generate a random color. And it will be called color with self and context. What we're going to do here is first differ, because this command might take some time to execute. Then want to create a variable called rcolor, and this will be lambda random dot randint. And we want to do 0 and 255. And for the color, we're going to do color equals. Now we're just gonna put some stuff in here. We're going to put the hashtag percent 0 to x percent 0 to x percent 0 to 0 to x percent 0 to x percent 0 to x, like that. Then we want to also do percent afterwards that, and in here put our color, and also our color. So we'll basically generate a hex code for this color here. Then want to do color equals color dot replace this hashtag with nothing. Below want to do CRGB link, and here is the link we'll actually get this from. We'll do HTTPS some random API .ml, want to use for this, slash canvas slash misc slash RGB hex equals color, like that. Then want to see RGB page equals URL open CRGB link. Want to open that and then get the bytes from it. So CRGB bytes equal CRGB page dot read. We'll read this page. And we want to do CRGB decode equals CRG bytes dot decode using UTF-8. I know this stuff can be a bit complicated, but yeah, it is, especially for beginners. So that's why I'm walking you through this. And then we'll create one new variable, 5 actually. CRGB0 equals CRGB decode dot replace, and in here want to put one of those squirrely brackets slash backward slash R. Then after this we'll do another slash like that and that. Just do exactly the same so nothing goes wrong here. Then you want to do CRGB1 equals CRGB0 dot replace. We'll do a backward slash a citation there. Then what to do G backward slash again. We want to do like that, replace that with that. Then CRGB2 want to do CRGB1 dot replace. I want to replace that with this. And these ones will be a bit easier now. CRGB3 will be CRGB2 dot replace. We'll just replace it, and we'll just take the square brackets. Oops, square bracket. Replace that with none. And for CRGB, we'll do CRB3 dot replace. We'll replace this with. Oh no, actually, we'll do that. We want to do it like that. And then we want to create an embed. I know that stuff was a bit tricky, but if you're just doing exactly the same as I did, also now we want to create the embed here. So embed equals discord.embed. Title will be fstring hashtag color, and the description of it will be random color. Then want to add a field to it. Embed.add field name will be RGB. Value will be CRGB. And want to do embed.set image URL will be equal to. We'll just copy a part of this. We want to copy until misc, like that. The URL will be an f string. I want to remove that. And but after misc, we want to do color viewer to do hex equals color, just like that. And do httpdx.respond embed equals to embed. Yes, I know that was quite a lot of stuff, but we're ready to test this. But actually, we'll do one thing, last thing first. We add one more command, and this will be the avatar command. Bridge.bridge command. Description will be see another member's avatar. We'll do async def avatar self ctx member will be discord.member equals none by default, so you can check your own avatar as well by default. So if member equals to none, we'll do member equals cdx.author. Then we'll do embed discord.embed title equals fstring string, and here we want to put member avatar avatar, then I want to do color equals random.rand range 0x ff. Then I want to do embed.set image URL equals to member.avatar.url. Then we want to do await cdx.respond embed equals embed. So that's the avatar command. Then we want to do this setup function as we do in all calls. Setup bot.add cog utilities bot. So just like that. Now we should have a working utility cog. We'll just restart the bot. It loaded utilities. It logged in as the bot. We'll go in here to test it. The bot is online. Going to can't see anything there, so we're just gonna restart the Discord client. Right, using Control R. Go here. And here we can see, for example, random number. We'll do between 1 and 5. We'll come with 4 here. Random. Do random color. And here it should come with the color. Or have we done something wrong? Yeah, it looks like that. We have a forbidden error here. Alright, so we have a forbidden error for HTTP error. Now I just want to check so everything is as it should be. Let's go here. We have hex, color, the RGB link, CRB.read, decode, UTF-8, replace with that, yeah. We have this as it should be. And we have this as it should be. We have that as it should be. Just gonna check so we have this as we want it to be. We do title, color, and for the set image, we want that like we had it. Try to restart this. Random color. Alright, so I don't know why this isn't working now. It could be that the API is down or something. But we'll take a look at this in the next episode. But we also have the avatar command here. Can view my avatar. Can view other avatars, like PyCord full bot here. Why didn't it send the command? Alright, that's odd actually. Non-type at member, Discord member. Alright, that's actually really odd. Member could be that it isn't in the cache or something. Let's try. Yeah, it's because it doesn't have an avatar, but yeah. That basically works as it should. We'll take a look at the color in another episode. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!